n of a plus n of b. In that remove common elements. Common elements means what? Intersection. Number of elements in intersection. Intersection means common. N of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. What is n of h intersection e? N of h plus n of e minus n of, simple and direct. N of s union t is n of s plus n of t minus n of x intersection t. What is n of c intersection t? N of c plus n of t minus n of c union t. Welcome to the session, dear students. In today's class, we are discussing important problems on operations of sets. Today's class, all the problems based on operations of sets will discuss. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಯೂನಿಯನ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್. ನೌ, so before I start exercise 1.6 first problem, before we go to this, first we recollect some of the important and easy cardinal number relation. ಈ important cardinal number relation ಅಥವಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. First you become thorough with the formula, then we can do the problems. So the first formula is n of A union B. N means what? Cardinal number. Number of elements in A union B is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. N of A union B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Similarly, N of A intersection B, number of elements in A intersection B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. See, observe, if you want number of elements in A intersection B is N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. And then N of A union B union C. If you have three sets, again we have formula, that is N of A plus N of B minus plus N of C plus N of all three common, A intersection, B intersection, C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C. Two elements you should remove, minus N of A intersection C. My dear students, these three cardinal number relations are most important. Once you are thorough with these three cardinal number relations, you can do any problems. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿದೆ. N of A union B. What is N of A union B? N of A plus N of B. In that, remove common elements. Common elements means what? Intersection. If you have union here, remove intersection. If you have intersection here, remove union. So first two problems, first two formula oriented problems we have more, and this is also important to do what is called as word problems. What is N of A union B? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. What is N of A intersection B? N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. What is N of A union B union C? N of A plus N of B plus N of C plus N of A intersection B intersection C plus, minus N of A intersection B. See, first you add all three, then add all the common elements. Common means what? Common for A, B, C, that is A intersection B intersection C, and remove 2 minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C and minus N of A intersection C. I am repeating, once you are thorough with the formula, then you can do the problems. Now we'll start with the first problem. If x and y are two sets such that N of x they give, N of x is given 17, N of y 23, N of x union y is 38, and they want you to find N of x intersection y. See, first if you want to solve this, you should know the formula. What is N of x intersection y? So N of x intersection y is N of x plus N of y minus, if you want intersection, subtract what? Union. N of x union y, that's it. So what is the formula for N of x intersection y? N of x plus N of y minus N of x union y. So all the values are given, substitute and get the value. So now N of x, what is N of x given? 17 plus N of y, what is N of y given? 23 minus N of x union y 38. Simplify this. 27 plus 30 gives you 40 minus 38 gives you 2. This is n of x intersection y. Intersection means what? Common. There are only two common elements. I hope all of you got this. Simple and direct. N of x intersection y formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. N of x intersection y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? N of x plus N of y minus N of x union y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. N of x 17 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, N of y 23 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, N of x union y 38 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಲಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements. They told x union y has 18 elements. X union y has 18 elements means they have given n of x union y. N of x union y is given 18. Then further, x has 8 elements. They told x has 8 elements exactly. X has 8 elements means what? They have also given n of x, number of elements in x is 8. And y has 15 elements. So they also mentioned n of y, number of elements in y is also given, that is 15. They want you to find how many elements are present in x intersection y. They want you to find number of elements in x intersection y. It is also simple. So what is the formula for n of x intersection y? Substitute in the formula. Formula is n of x intersection y is n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y. If you want intersection, remove what? Union. So they want intersection, we'll remove union. So what is n of x? N of x they gave 8 elements, and n of y they gave 15 elements, and n of x union y they gave 18 elements. So after substitution, so 15 plus 8, 23 minus 18. In 23 remove 18, that will give you 5. I hope all of you got this. Number of elements in intersection. Intersection means common. N of x plus N of y minus N of x union y. Next question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English, and how many can speak both Hindi and English? They want you to find both. First, symbolize the sets. So in 400 people, so they told, in a group of 400 people they told, so therefore let n of u is 400, 250 can speak Hindi, so we'll assume h be the set of Hindi speaking people, be the set of what? Hindi speaking people, set of Hindi speaking people, Hindi speaking people. And they also gave other set, that is English speaking people. So let E, capital E, be the set of English speaking people. So first define two sets. What is given? Number of people speaking in Hindi. 250 can speak in Hindi, they told. N of h is given. N of h is equal to 250. Further you read, 200 can speak English. So number of English speaking is exactly 200. And they want you to find how many can speak both. How many can speak both means h intersection E. All of you understand? Intersection means common elements. Common means what? Belongs to both the sets. So when they ask you to find both, so you do what? Intersection operation. So this is the question. First you should be able to read the question and write what is given in the form of set, and also you should write the required set operation. See, in this case 400 people are there and they did not give that how many, see, they have not given any condition. So if they have told that 400 are the total people, out of them some people speak English, some people speak Hindi, some of them can speak both. So that's why whenever they don't give any condition, union itself, that implies n of h union E is 400. So this is given. So it's more than enough. You can find h of x intersection E. So number of elements, number of students, or number of people speaking both Hindi and English is n of h intersection E. What is the formula? N of h plus n of E minus n of h union E. I hope all of you understood. What is the formula? N of h intersection is n of h plus n of E minus n of h union E. If you want intersection, remove union. So what is n of h given? N of h they have clearly given, that is 250. N of E 200 minus total 400. So 250 plus 200 minus 400. 250 plus 200 is 450. 450 minus 400 gives you 50. So therefore write the conclusion. Therefore 50 people can speak both. People speak. How many can speak? The people can speak both Hindi and English. How many can speak both? 50 can speak both. Both means what? Intersection. What is n of h intersection E? N of h plus n of E minus n of h union E. So 400 total are 400. So total we will take it as union because they have not given any restriction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೋಟಲ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಹಿಂದಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ನ ಇ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಬಿ ದ ಹಿಂದಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಇ ಬಿ ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಬಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 250 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ 250 ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 200 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ 200 ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೋತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ. ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಬೋತ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೆಚ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್? ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ದ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ using Venn diagram. They will specify use Venn diagram and solve. And now this also we can solve by Venn diagram method. So total they give 400. U is 400. Union is also 400. And then two sets are there. One is Hindi speaking. The other one is English speaking. So I should draw a perfect circle. X is common. X is what? See, this is intersection region. X is common. And we have 250 in Hindi. 250 in Hindi, but 250 minus X I'll write because some people already I added here. And 200 in English. So 200 minus X anta tagolbeku. See, 250 is total Hindi, but when I take this side, it is 250 minus X. This is X. This is outside. This is 200 minus X and this. So this put together is union. So n of h union e is total. Outside we don't have anyone, so therefore 400. So that is n of h union e means h union e means sum of all. That is, what are the elements we have? 250 minus x plus x plus 200 minus x, and this is 400. 400 is equal to 250. Here I can cancel one minus x plus x, then 250 plus 200 minus x, transfer minus x to this side, so it will become plus x, and 250 transfer 400 to that side, it will become minus 250 plus 200 plus 200 minus 400, rearranging. So x becomes, if you simplify, you'll get 50. So this is the region is what? This region is common. Common means what? Intersection. So therefore x, how much you got? X you got exactly 50. Therefore what is the conclusion? 50 can speak both. Can speak both, or 50 speaks both Hindi and English. This is Venn diagram method. I hope all of you got this. ನೋಡಿ, Venn diagram ಎರಡು ಸೆಟ್ನ ಎರಡು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 250 ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಮನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 250 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 250 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಐಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 250 minus x. Out of 200 English, 200 one x already I filled. Remaining I'll fill it here. The sum is union. This is called as Venn diagram method. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವೆನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ಲು ಹಿಂದಿ 250 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 250 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 250 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ, this is Hindi. English we had 200 people. Out of 200 already you have filled x. So that's why you'll write 200 minus x. And the sum of all these elements gives you union. Union means total number. Because there is no restriction given. Universal set itself, a number of elements in universal sets acts as union. Sometimes they'll give restriction. Some people will not speak both means, then I'll write them outside. That's it. I hope all of you understood this Venn diagram method. Say one problem I have done in two methods. S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, and S intersection T has 11 elements. How many elements does S union T will have? So simple. First write what is given and write the formula required. N of S, S has 21 elements. Number of elements in T, N of T, that is also given, that is 32. And also they give N of S intersection T, that is 11. They want you to find N of S union T. This is what they want. So now they want you to find union. So we'll write the formula. What is N of S union T? N of S union T is N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. If you want union in LHS, subtract intersection. That's it. This is the formula. Substitute, you'll get the answer. So 21 plus 32 minus intersection they give 11. This is 11. See, given it is 11. So minus 11. So 21 plus 32 gives you 52, 53. 53 minus 11. 53 minus 11, 42. That's it. I hope all of you got this. Simple and direct. N of S union T is N of S plus N of T minus N of X intersection T. Next we have, if X and Y are two sets such that X has 40 elements, X union Y has 60 elements, and X intersection Y has 10 elements. How many elements are present in Y? They want number of elements in Y. So first what is given you write. N of X they give 40. N of X union Y they give 60, and N of X intersection Y they give 10. N of X intersection Y they give 10. Now they want you to find N of Y. They want you to find what? N of Y. So use N of X union Y formula or X intersection Y formula and rearrange any one. So I'll take N of X union Y. What is N of X union Y? N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. So solve this. So what is N of X union Y? They give 60. N of X they give 40. N of Y they did not give the value of N of Y, so let N of Y be N of Y. Minus N of X intersection Y is given 10. Rearrange. 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 plus N of Y is what? 60. We need N of Y. So bring 30 to this side. 60 minus 30 is N of Y. So number of elements in Y again. So that is 30. Got N of Y is 30. That implies. So therefore, what is the conclusion? Number of elements in set Y is exactly equal to how much? 30. Simple formula, substitute and mathematically add and subtract. You'll get the answer. Next we have, in a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. Means everyone out of 70, each one will like at least any one. So therefore this can be treated as union. How many people like both tea and coffee? Two methods you can solve. Venn diagram method or Cardinal number relation method. First we'll symbolize C be the set of people drinking coffee, be the set of people drinking coffee, or who drinks coffee. And one more, T be the set of people who drinks tea. This is so given. So now they gave number of people drinking coffee, so let C be the set of people liking coffee, set of people likes coffee and likes tea. So N of C they gave 37. Number of people drinking tea also is given. How many? They gave 52 like tea, and they gave at least one of them will drink, means out of 70 at least one drink they like, so at least one means union. C union T is also given 70. Then they want how many like both. Both means what? What is both, my dear students? Both means what? What is the operation? Intersection. All of you are familiar. I told you, when they ask you to find both coffee and tea or both coffee and tea means what? C intersection T. What is the formula for N of C intersection T? N of C plus N of T minus N of C union T. Substitute it. What is N of C? 37 plus 52 minus 70. Simplify this. 37, 52, 70. 50, 30, 80, 87, 89 minus 70. 19. So therefore 19 likes both coffee and tea. Therefore 19 people likes both coffee and tea. Like both coffee and tea. I hope all of you got this. They want how many like both. So they want N of C intersection T. What is N of C intersection T? N of C plus N of T minus N of C union T. So here they told at least one of the drink. Everyone likes at least one of the, means union is given. What is given? Union is total number of people, that's it. So in the group of people, at least one they like means they belong to either C or T. So either R means what? Union. So symbolizing this and solving it. This is one method. I told you same problem can be done in how many methods? 2 methods. Alternate method is what? We can do it in Venn diagram method. Now I'll take Venn diagram method. So in Venn diagram method what we'll do? We'll take a universal set, that is 70, and this is a set of people likes coffee, set of people likes tea, and both means this region is both, and they told 37 likes coffee. Out of 37 I already filled X here, so here this is 37 minus X. In this region already X is there. 52 people, out of 52 you already filled, see I would have written 52 if you don't fill X, because we filled X, remove X. So here this is 37 minus X, this is X, this total is union. So let X be the people drinking both, or X, let X people like both. Both means what? Intersection. Intersection means what? You should fill in this region. This region is common for both. In Venn diagram, intersection is filled here. So coffee, how many were drinking coffee? If I take set coffee, there were 32. But already in this 32, in this region you filled X. So remaining 32 minus X you fill here. Sorry, 37 minus X you fill here. And how many likes T? T they gave 52. But already you filled X here. So remaining 52 minus X you fill here, like that. And sum of this is union. So union means what? So 70. So from the Venn diagram, 70 is 37 minus X plus X plus 52 minus X. From the Venn diagram, sum of all these things is union. So now 70 is equal to minus X plus X cancels, 37 and 52 if you add, you will get 89 minus X, transfer minus X to this side, that implies X is equal to 89 minus 70, that implies X is equal to 19 exactly. x is 19. So we got this. I hope all of you understood this. Next, let me start with the problem 7. We can do by two methods. One is Venn diagram method and the other one is what? Normal method. We'll do by normal method, that is cardinal number relation. 65 people are there, 40 like cricket, 10 like cricket and tennis, and how many like tennis only is the problem. Simple and direct. So n of cricket union tennis, C union T 65 is given, and 40 likes cricket, they told. N of C is given, N of C is exactly 40, and N of cricket intersection 10, both means what? Intersection, all of you know. And they want how many likes? Tennis only. They want tennis only. Please understand, this is a question. But from the given data, you can find number of people playing tennis. Tennis only means what? Tennis but not cricket. So now, first we will find N of C union T formula. What is N of C union T formula? All of you know, N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. Use this formula and get N of T. So N of C union T is 65 and N of C is 40. N of T, people playing tennis, they gave how many plays tennis only, not cricket, they told. Tennis only, not cricket. We don't know number of people playing tennis. This is total number of people playing tennis. We don't know. They have not given, let it be T. And 10 play both. Now rearrange and get N of T. So now 40 minus 10 is 30. Bring 30 to this side. 65 minus 30 is N of T. So what is 65 minus 30? N of T is 45. So this is number of people playing tennis. But they want tennis only. Number of people playing tennis only, T only, is out of tennis people, remove common, T intersection C. Tennis only means T minus C. So N of T minus N of T intersection C. Out of N of tennis only, that is 45, remove common. Common is what? 10, you'll get 35. That's it. So 45, total 45 are there. 10 are common. So we don't want people, those who are playing cricket, they want tennis only. Tennis means what? Tennis, some people may, see, if you see 10 are in common, so that common people if you remove, you will get tennis only. And same problem you can do by what method? Venn diagram method. I hope all of you understood. So number of people playing tennis you will get, but they want tennis only but not cricket. Means out of tennis, remove those who are playing tennis and cricket. So T intersection, common elements na tegdaakbeku. One of the important questions, and I can say for board exam this is, so if I want N of A only, what is N of A only? Out of N of A, remove what? N of A intersection B if you have two sets. A only means A minus A intersection B. B only means B minus B intersection C. Here T only means T minus C intersection T. You can solve the same problem by what method? Venn diagram method, the left part. You can do it. In a committee, 50 people speak French. When you read 50 people are there, 20 speaks what? Spanish. 20 speaks Spanish. 10 speaks both. How many speaks? At least one. How many speaks? At least one. See here both they gave, one language they gave. So please observe. What is given, first we will symbolize. So 20 speaks both, 50 speaks French. So N of F is given 50. Further 20 speaks Spanish and Spanish, N of S is given 20. 10 speaks both, N of S intersection F is what? 10. This much is given. They want at least one. Number of people speaking at least one. At least one of the two is number of people speaking at least one. Number of people speaking at least one means simple. They want you to find N of French union Spanish. At least one means union. I know, I think you can do it. What is N of F union S? All of you know N of F union S is N of F plus N of S minus N of F intersection S. So out of N of S, so simplify this. So now we have 50. This is French speaking people 50. Spanish speaking people 10, common 10, 20, and common is 10. 50 plus 20, 70, 70 minus 10, 60. So 60 people will speak at least one. Speak means French or Spanish. R means what? Union. Union stands for R. So that's why for at least one we use this operation. So write the conclusion. Therefore 60 speak at least one of the two languages. One of the two languages. How many speaks at least one of the two languages? 60. So now in today's class, let me summarize. I taught you how to solve a problem by Venn diagram method. In Venn diagram method, I taught you, so this is universal set, these are the two sets, this is called as intersection part, and the whole put together we call it as union. Then we have done problems on cardinal relation. What is n of A union B? N of A union B is what? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. And also we have done vice versa, N of A intersection B. What is N of A intersection B? N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. And I asked you to find N of A only. What is N of A only but not B? N of A but not B means N of A minus N of A intersection B. This is also one of the interesting relation. What is N of A only? Out of N of A, remove common. N of A minus N of A intersection B. So by this we have done the exercise. So I'll continue my next session with some more problems. Thanks for attending. Thank you.